What if I told you that you could start making money online without needing any advanced skills like graphic design, coding, or writing? It sounds too good to be true, right? But the truth is, there are digital products you can create and sell that require zero technical experience, and they can make you passive income for years to come. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 digital products you can sell, even if you're a complete beginner, that will allow you to start earning money right away. Let's dive in to learn how simple and rewarding it can be to enter the world of digital product sales. 1. Canva templates. Do you have an eye for design, or perhaps you enjoy playing around with colors and layouts? If so, Canva templates could be your ticket to passive income without needing to be a professional designer. Canva is a user-friendly, no-code design tool that lets anyone, no matter their design experience, create stunning templates. From social media post kits to business card layouts and even full presentation decks, Canva offers a wide range of pre-designed elements that make creating these digital products super easy. The beauty of selling templates is that you create them once and you can sell them indefinitely. Simply design templates that others can customize and use in their own work or business. Once your templates are ready, you can upload them to online marketplaces like Etsy and offer them as shareable links for customers to download. Whether you're designing Instagram post templates for influencers, planner pages for productivity enthusiasts, or resume templates for job seekers, there is a growing demand for well-designed digital products. Selling Canva templates allows you to build a steady stream of income by tapping into the demand for ready-made, customizable content. You can easily earn $5 to $50 per template pack, depending on how well your designs are received, and you don't need to spend time on manufacturing or inventory. As your portfolio grows, your earning potential increases with the number of designs you sell. Over time, you can expand your portfolio, add new types of templates, and attract a loyal customer base. The more unique and high quality your designs, the more you can charge for them. 2. Printable planners and worksheets. Next up, printable planners and worksheets are a fantastic digital product that's simple to create and sell. Planners, habit trackers, meal planners, budget sheets, and workout trackers are in high demand, and you don't need to be an expert to create them. With basic tools like Google Docs, Notion, or even Canva, you can design clean, functional, and attractive printable PDFs that people will want to buy and use. The process is straightforward. Create a functional, easy-to-use planner or worksheet, save it as a PDF, and sell it on platforms like Etsy or your own website. People love digital planners because they're cost-effective, reusable, and easy to print at home. You can cater to different niches like students, entrepreneurs, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone looking to improve their daily routines. Once you've designed a few, you can market them directly to those who would benefit from your planners. Since these are printable items, once you create them, you can sell them endlessly without any extra work. You'll earn anywhere from $2 to $15 per printable, depending on the type and complexity of the item. The beauty of this product is that once it's listed, the only work you'll need to do is promote it. With minimal time spent on each product, this is a great way to generate steady passive income. As you develop new, creative designs or seasonal offerings, you can attract repeat customers who are looking for fresh tools to help them stay organized and productive. 3. Niche ebooks and short guides. Do you have a lot of knowledge on a specific subject or a hobby you're passionate about? Writing and selling niche ebooks and short guides could be an excellent side hustle that doesn't require you to be a famous author or have advanced writing skills. People are constantly searching for practical solutions to specific problems, and with a bit of effort, you can create a simple, easy-to-read ebook or guide that provides exactly what they need. The beauty of niche ebooks is that they allow you to focus on specific, targeted topics that are highly valuable to readers. Whether you're writing a 10-step guide to baking the perfect sourdough, moving a broad checklist, or a minimalist lifestyle guide, niche ebooks cater to those seeking expert advice on topics they care about. You don't need to write a long, elaborate novel. In fact, short guides tend to be even more profitable, as they provide instant, actionable content that solves problems quickly. The shorter format is often easier for readers to digest, making them more likely to buy and share. Platforms like Gumroad, Amazon KDP, and Etsy make it incredibly easy to sell your ebooks and guides. With just a few steps, you can upload your content and start selling it to a global audience. Once your ebook is live, you can expect to earn $5 to $50 per ebook or guide, depending on the length, topic, and demand. As you gain experience, you can gradually increase your pricing, especially as your reputation grows through positive reviews. This side hustle offers a great opportunity for passive income because once the book is published, you don't have to do anything but market it. Over time, You can expand your collection, increasing your earnings, and creating a scalable income stream. 4. AI prompt libraries. With the rise of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, many people are struggling to get the results they want from these platforms. That's where you come in. By creating and selling AI prompt libraries, you can offer proven, effective prompts that help people generate high-quality content quickly. These can be prompts tailored for specific tasks, like real estate agents looking for better property descriptions or small business owners needing catchy marketing copy. Creating a library of useful AI prompts requires no technical skills, just an understanding of how these tools work and what people need. You can package your prompts in downloadable bundles and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. The beauty of this digital product is that it's incredibly easy to set up. You don't need to spend hours designing graphics or writing long content. Simply curate a collection of prompts, explain how they work, and you're ready to sell. Since AI prompt libraries are in high demand with the growing popularity of AI tools, you can charge $10 to $100 per library, depending on the number of prompts and the niche they serve. With more businesses and individuals turning to AI for content generation, the market for quality AI prompts will continue to expand. Once you create and sell your first library, the only thing you need to do is update and promote it, providing you with a steady income stream without much ongoing effort. 5. Stock photography from your phone. If you love photography but don't want to invest in expensive equipment, stock photography from your phone might be the ideal side hustle for you. Modern smartphone cameras are more than capable of capturing high-quality images, and with the right composition and editing, you can create professional-looking stock photos. Unlike traditional photography, the demand is now for authentic images, which is why every day, relatable photos are trending over stage corporate shots. You can start by taking photos of everyday scenes, whether it's street photography, nature shots, or even your morning coffee. Once you have a collection of high-quality photos, you can upload them to stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. You'll earn royalties every time someone purchases your images, and the best part is that once your photos are uploaded, they continue to generate passive income for years. Since smartphone cameras are now so powerful, you can capture images that appeal to a wide variety of customers. For example, candid lifestyle shots, unique city landscapes, or nature photos are highly sought after in stock photo markets. You can earn anywhere from 25 cents to $2 per image download, and the more photos you upload, the more chances you have to earn. With smartphones becoming more capable every year, the quality of your images will keep up with industry standards, ensuring you can create professional content without expensive equipment. There you have it, 5 digital products you can start selling today, even without any specialized skills or experience. Whether you're creating Canva templates, selling niche ebooks, or offering AI prompt libraries, these digital products can generate passive income with minimal upfront effort. The key is to get started, be consistent, and watch your income grow. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit from these ideas, and hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to earn money online. Take action today and start building your digital product empire.